Hi, this is Jay with Jantech Services, and this is good stuff to know. Today's question is whether or not you should consider purchasing a battery monitoring system. For sake of discussion, we'll assume that you're using some type of lead acid batteries. Most of them will have a design life of 5, 10, or 20 years. So you're going to expect 5, 10, or 20 years of life out of your newly purchased batteries. You've even gone so far as to buy a maintenance agreement and have those batteries inspected every 3 or 6 months. So you figure you have all your bases covered, correct? Maybe not. The design life is a factory projection of how long that battery should last under ideal or perfect conditions. But we don't always have ideal conditions. Those lead acid batteries want to live at 77 degrees Fahrenheit constantly. They have to have proper charging voltage and quality of charging voltage applied to them, and they've got to have good ventilation. So a lot of things can happen over the course of the life of these batteries, whether it's manufacturer defect or some deviation from those perfect conditions. Because the batteries are connected in series, if one battery runs into trouble, it can have an adverse effect on all the other batteries in that associated string. If we came out to do your maintenance today and a week from now you had one of those batteries run into trouble, it might be 3 to 6 months before someone looks at them again, and a lot of damage can occur. A battery monitoring system will give you the ability to monitor and record all the important parameters of your battery. Those include things like cell or jar voltage, string voltage, charging current, discharge current and depth, internal impedance of the batteries, impedance of the interconnections of that battery, temperature, and so on. If your batteries had any kind of issue during normal operation, the system would be able to notify you in the event of a problem, and you would be able to react and take necessary action on that problem well in advance of it accelerating into a bigger problem and affecting other parts of the battery string. That's our opinion on battery monitoring. They're a great feature to have on your UPS system, but they do have a cost associated with them that may or may not be prohibitive. We'll see you on our next video.